April showers bring chocolate cupcakes snuggled in flower pots, covered in whipped chocolate frosting, cookie crumbs, and fresh berries. I've got flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And they're gonna be chocolatey, so I need my cocoa. Now for some sugar. Vegetable oil is gonna make these super moist. And vanilla for oomph. Let's get that all mixed together. This is now light and smooth, so it's time to get my dry ingredients in here. And some buttermilk for tanginess and tenderness. Now, while those are baking, I am gonna whip something up. The fluffiest, chocolatiest frosting you've ever seen. Now, while that melts, I'm gonna make some tasty dirt. These are just chocolate wafer cookies. You can use any kind of chocolate cookies that you like. Isn't that the tastiest looking dirt you've ever seen? Now back to my frosting. I just need to let this cool for a little while. This is nice and cool now. And the test is that it coats the back of a spoon. Let's whip it up. That's fluffy. Now, let's build some tiny sweet gardens. I've got some mud, I've got some dirt, and I've got some beautiful fruits. Just a few more to go. think I deserve a bite. You can't beat a chocolatey cupcake with a chocolatey topping and some fresh fruits. It's one of my all-time favorites.